clot because he did return. That is a big step, a great step. Move on the blood clot and leave me and my husband alone. Yeah, Miss Bling.
Yeah, me have to call you because me don't know what really happened. Because them say, Amari say, look what you did to Artie. So me say,
Miss Bling, shh, let me tell you something. Amari said, them say whatever. It doesn't matter what Amari said. What have I done to RT? RT come at Yvette Gate. So I'm just to the bank song yesterday. Me and RT do a video out there live and the song went viral. When I reached back to England, RT phoned me and said to me, say, Queenie, the song get final and viral and me just give Mona £300. How much you charge? Remember, me already do the ads, you know. I said £400 me charge for ads. Him send me the £400, it's in my PayPal. That is from the first time. When me come back to England and go back for Sting now, and Sting done, remember me and him never agree before Sting. When Sting done and me and him agree back together now, and him say, Queenie, you must come out, come promote your song at night time. I said, me now come out, come promote no dirty song. Me not have no time for that, me I hide. And I saw the next day him call me back. I said, me not gonna well listen, me I get paid, me not gonna know what me I hide for everybody do it, me I hide for me now. Cut long story short. The next day I saw him send me sell money and tell me say me and him I go up on boat ride. I work in it. So we done run 5 trips, 6 trips, run 7 nights. One night time, my pussy jaw them locked the blood clot the way I'm tired. You hear me, Bling? I work. That done, I wrap up. Me and RT at time, I say, RT, please do not discuss my relationship. It's when me at and I bring it up. I don't want to hear certain things. I have jolly full time now. And I'm constantly I bring up my relationship. My relationship does not have anything to do with the promotion that Queenie, you're not listen. Queenie, you're not here. Queenie, wait, I gotta take you for your date, somebody. Queenie, wait, I said, RT, somebody have to conquer my RT. I know myself. I can't do it nobody. Somebody have to just turn me in an idiot and it now make me think. I just I go take them and no matter about the after effect. But if nobody know, what you mean by conquer? RT nobody bring up my relationship and he does not respect that. So as simple as he might think, say me I want rascal, vulgarous blood clot person, I do have morals. So each time I say, when RT know say, I'm a weak back, him constantly a touch. It's not appropriate for me and RT to be discussed in the marriage. That's already ruined. Do you understand where I come from, Bling?
Did you say that to him? Did you say that to him?
Yes, many times. I said it to him on the live many times. RT, don't make me you're going on a relationship. Me tell him many times, Bling.
Okay. You know, I think RT mean well. Here the problem that RT have sometimes. It's just the little controlling part. Cause Queenie, he's really nice. You understand? Like
me not care if him nice. Me not care if him spice or if him is a mice. I don't give a fuck what everybody nice I have them weird. The same thing with life with everybody. Everything is for a moment of time. My argument is, Bling, I don't care if him wants to me hear him tell some lie and say him send me 2 million Jamaica. You did not send me 2 million. All right, so yes, I send me 2 million. I work for that. No strings that I'm a growing ass independent woman. It's rather rude of RT and Amari to drag my name as if I am a piece of wipe floor cloth or kitchen counter cloth. What you gonna tell me? Say me never even tell RT thanks and RT up on the live. You humiliate me and I mark me as a friend. Queenie, me not get no more money for you getting another waste boy. That is rude. RT, you not mind me. RT one of my shoes are for £1,000, 400 and blood clot, 400,000 Jamaican dollar that. I've got shoes that cost all £800. So you not treat blood clot me, RT. You understand me? So when you gonna come take liberty like say, you mind me, you pay my rent, you treat me camera down a Gucci go buy one shoes I down a Louis Vuitton. And me run go take back, do it rude. So people now look the moral of what me and your friend and whatever me and your friend is not for you to pass your place by internet with me. I'm a relationship. And that's what hurt me. Alright? I call RT, Mr. RT. Remember, I rate RT. I respect RT when you call RT. Mr. RT, if you never got trouble do it, you know me, you could have been friend. Because do it. Now come between me and you because do it gone in it. But the allegation them way I pass, I get me in a trouble. So if you get me in a trouble, I am not gonna speak to you because you said things bad. So Amaria come to talk about I never deal with who give a fuck about Bossy. Does Bossy give a fuck about anyone? It takes no time for that man to switch and go in your pussy root and take out every great ear with every pussy out of your pussy root. It takes nothing for him to do that. Who the fuck is this blood clot dry up witch? Or the kick off Amari blood clot face. If me not take out my problem pan, no blood clot by this. If Amari a 2 times that bitch visit Judas me. Woman blood clot Judas Amari. Remember, you know. You come and sting and you tear off my frack. I'm going to take it for laugh and entertainment. But deep within, it is very